American, take off, okay, no problem.
Approach, good evening, American 2176, descending on the rounders out of 15,000.
American 2176, Las Vegas approach, hello. Flatting of 080, descend maintain 15,000. Vectors visual approach, runway 1 left.
Alright, 080 down to 15,000, Victor's for the visual 1 left, American 2176.
At American 2176, I'm going to have lower for you in like 3 miles, just get ready to bleed the altitude once you're clear of traffic that I'm trying to deconflict you with.
Okay, we'll be ready for that, American 2176.
Southwest 1333, runway 1 left, clear to land.
Clear land, Southwest 1333.
Okay, American 2176, descend and maintain 8,000 now, the traffic's 2 o'clock, moving 3